Hello friends, I am Saloni and welcome to Codera. So today we will discuss a SQL query to swap all the value of F and M of the gender column with a single statement. And here F means female and M means male. So basically here we have to interchange or swap the value of F to M and M to F in the gender column. But here we have one condition, that we can only write single statement. That means we can't use any inner query or subquery or any select statement. So we have to swap the values in single statement. So for example, here we have employee table which has 4 columns: ID, name, gender and salary. So according to our query, all the value of M should be interchanged with F and vice versa. So here I have already created an employee table in my database with the same columns. Now let's discuss the query. So guys, as we have to change something in a table, so this time we have to write update statement, not a select statement. So we will write update and then we will specify the table name, that is employee. Then we will write set gender. Here set is the command in MySQL. And after the set command we have to specify the column name that we want to update. So in our case we want to update gender column, and then generally we write the where clause after the set command. But here in our query where clause will not work for us, because here we have to complete the query in single statement. So this time we will write a case function for the gender column. Now guys, first let's see what is case function. So case function is exactly like if-else statement we use in the programming languages. So basically case function checks the given condition. If the given condition is true, then it will stop reading and return the result. If the condition is not true, then it will return the result that is specified in the else part. And if there is no else condition is given, then it will return the null value as result. So it works exactly like a if-else statement. Now let's see the syntax of case function. So first we have to write the case and then we will specify the column name for which we want to check the condition. Then we will write when statement. After when, we have to specify the condition. So if the condition will be true, it will return the result that we will specify with the then statement. And if there is no condition satisfied, it will return the result from the else part. And if there is no condition is satisfied and we have not specified any else part, then at that time it will return the null as a result. And in last we have to write end with a semicolon to end the case function. So this is the syntax of case function. Now let's get back to our query. So we will write case gender, as we have to check condition for the gender column, and then we will write when M then F. That means if gender column has value equal to M, then it will set to F, else it will set to M. And in last we will write end with a semicolon. So now let's execute this query. Okay, so it says row matched 6 and change 6. That means our condition was true for 6 rows and changes also takes place for 6 rows. Now let's see our employee table. So you can see this was our table before update, and now after execution of the query, all the values in gender column are swapped from M to F and F to M. So this is how we will solve this query. And we can also write this case function something like this in a short way, like we use ternary operator in place of if-else in different programming languages. So for this we will write if, and in parenthesis we will specify the column name to be checked, that is gender. Then we will write equal to M, F, M. Here what will happen, if the gender column value will be M, then it will change to F, else it will change to M, which is exactly same as ternary operator. Now let's execute this query. So 6 row match and 6 change. Now let's see our employee table. So you can see the value in gender column are swapped. So both the query will work same. You can choose according to your requirement. So guys, that's all about today's video. I hope you will like this video and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you so much for watching.